Sustainable growth and development will only happen with the right leadership in place. Nothing is impossible. Nothing.
New development agenda for the next 20 years. Also, to provide modern energy services to primary healthcare unit, we've seen a direct correlation between lack of energy, lack of clean water, and hemorrhaging, causing high maternal mortality in a number of developing countries, simply because there's no light in the hospital to sterilize equipment, to also allow doctors to work.
Change means you stop those who just literally steal money from the ministries. So you set the tone from the beginning. Second, you make everybody understand that results-based management is important to you. So there are some key ministries that I'll be visiting often. Start from the get-go. I go to the ministry, sit with the minister, meet their top directors, talk to them about the agenda and the results we expect, and ask them, how do I work with you and facilitate so you can deliver on those results? So we all have an understanding of the results I expect of those key ministries. And we'll repeat that periodically. You know, people think the coalition only has to be a coalition of parties. If you check again, I'm a very consistent person. I did a speech at Howard University almost 6 years ago, and I started talking that Sierra Leone needs a coalition of progressives. Progressives are in APC, they're in SLPP. Progressives are young men and women who are just ambitious for a better nation. They're dreaming of being like Ghana or Kenya. You understand what I'm saying? So we're trying to rally those, and I tell you they're coming from every nook and cranny. And I have said to people, they say, well, why APC? I said, there are people in APC that I know who had ambitions for the nation, but they feel they've not been able to fulfill it. The enabling conditions were not there. The governance style was not what they expected. There are people in SLPP similarly, and other parties. Eventually, we'll have strategic alliances with other parties, you know, based on a value addition principle. But I'm telling you here that yes, part of our success is that we have an open platform. It's the Rainbow Party. Everybody comes in.
Malaika, nakupenda malaika. Malaika, nakupenda malaika. Na mirifanyeje kijana mwezi yao. Nashindwa na mali sina we, ingekuwa malaika. Nashindwa na mali sina we, ingekuwa malaika. Yeba pesa zasubuwa roho nyangu. kisha na mwezi yako nashindwa na mali sina we
Me fumble them. This now 56, they go 57 years of APC and SLPP rule na salon. Complete chaos and disaster. If not to war, na sickness. If not to sickness, na natural disaster. The people they don't tire, but we don't tire. Una glad with the way I wanna live. I don't feel so. But dear, una vote with una aid. Una vote the right party. NGC, we go bring change in that country day. But dear, we tire. Dear.
kisha na mwezi yako nashindwa na mali sina we jongli ingekuwa malaika
This is really pathetic. From one of the women, Aisha Titi Kamara, she's been doing this for over 18 years. And this is the only source of living that she has been doing to feed them, to feed her family and even to school her children.
Decision 2018. Once upon a time, Sierra Leone had it all. To behold undiscovered beauty and breathtaking sceneries. Then disaster struck, public health crisis. Followed by environmental crisis that took hundreds of lives. The people are frustrated. We need a leader. Kande Kole Yumkela. Influence, connections, integrity. Vote for change.